Alright, we're going to be making some puppy chow today. I'm going to show you the ingredients.
Alright, so the first ingredient, you'll be needing some Chex Mix. Alright, second ingredient, you'll be needing some chocolate chips. Alright, third ingredient, you'll be needing some vanilla.
First try.
Alright, for the fourth ingredient, you'll be needing some peanut butter of any sort. Alright, for the fifth ingredient, you'll be needing some butter or margarine.
Alright, the sixth ingredient you're going to need is some powdered sugar. Alright, well, we're going to start making it now. This is all the stuff you're going to need, including the tech deck. Alright, you're going to be needing 1 cup of chocolate chips, and you're going to want to pour it in the bowl. Alright, you're going to be needing a half a cup of peanut butter. Alright, you're going to be needing a half a stick of butter.
Alright, so then you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so then you want to put your mixture into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alright, so then once it's out of the microwave, you just want to stir it up until it looks something like that. Alright, so then you want to put 4 cups of Chex Mix in a bowl, a separate bowl.
Alright, you're going to want to put your Chex Mix and your mixture in a paper bag. Alright, make sure it's a clean bag too. All you want to do is pour a cup of powdered sugar in the bag. Alright, then you just want to shake up your bag. Make sure it's really mixed.
Alright, so then you want to once it's all shook up, you want to go to a cookie sheet and you just want to pour it
all on it.
Alright, and then you want to spread it all out so it can dry. Alright, and then you're good. Alright, so then once it's all dried from your cookie pan, you want to put it into a bowl, and then you're all good. And then you want to make sure to clean off the table so your parents don't get mad at you. Alright, so it's all done now. So now we're going to be taste testing it. We're going to be rating it from 1 through 10. So Max, go ahead, eat it.
I'll give it a 8. This is my very first time eating this.
Alright, and for me? A solid 9 out of 10. This was very good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you use this tutorial in the future. And this is Brock and Max signing out.